Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you a product that combines nostalgia with modern functionality, making it an absolute must-have for anyone looking to capture life's precious moments in a unique and fun way. Say hello to the KODAK CHARMERA Keychain digital camera blind box, a mini camera that's packed with features that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. First off, let's talk about the camera's ability to support both photo taking and video recording. This is a huge benefit for users because it means you can capture a wide range of moments, from still shots of beautiful landscapes to videos of your friends and family having a blast. Whether you're on vacation, at a concert, or just hanging out with loved ones, this camera has got you covered. And the best part? It's so small and portable that you can take it with you wherever you go, ensuring that you never miss a moment. Another feature that really stands out is the availability of 4 frames and 7 filters in photo mode. This is a game changer for anyone who loves to get creative with their photos. With these frames and filters, you can add a whole new level of style and personality to your images, making them truly one of a kind. Imagine being able to capture a beautiful sunset and then adding a vintage filter to give it a retro feel, or using a fun frame to turn a simple selfie into a work of art. The possibilities are endless, and it's an absolute blast to experiment with different looks and styles. Now, let's talk about the camera's technical specs. With a 1440 by 1080 image output and 1.6 megapixels, you can expect high-quality images that are crisp and clear. And with the option to use a 1 GB to 128 GB TF memory card, you'll have plenty of storage space to capture all the moments you want without running out of room. But what really impressed me is the rechargeable battery, which means you can use the camera again and again without having to worry about running out of power. This is not only convenient, but it's also better for the environment, as you won't be contributing to the proliferation of disposable batteries. As I've been using the KODAK CHARMERA Keychain digital camera, I've been blown away by its ease of use and versatility. It's perfect for beginners, teens, and adults alike, and it makes a great gift for anyone who loves photography or just wants a fun and unique way to capture memories. And the best part? It's so affordable and accessible, making it an absolute no-brainer for anyone looking to add a little excitement to their tech collection. So what are you waiting for? If you're as excited about the KODAK CHARMERA Keychain digital camera as I am, be sure to check it out and experience it for yourself. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing product. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.